Leadership has nothing to do with your title, and the sooner you stop waiting for permission to lead, the faster you can make a real impact for your team. Let me make it more concrete. There's a CSR at an agency I once worked with, mid-sized firm, commercial lines. She's reviewing a renewal and she notices that client's property schedule hasn't been updated in 2 years. New warehouse, new equipment, none of it on the policy. Coverage gap the size of a building. She doesn't flag it and wait. She calls the client directly, walks them through the exposure, gets the updated values, and sends the endorsement request to the carrier all before lunch. No one asked her to do that. No one gave her the authority to do that. She just saw the gap and closed it. That's leadership. And it didn't require a title. Over the years, I've worked with more than 2,500 insurance agencies and I've trained over 70,000 insurance professionals. And the pattern I keep seeing everywhere I go is this. Capable people, including talented CSRs, sharp account managers, and producers with great instincts, all hitting a ceiling. Not because they lacked ability, but because nobody had ever shown them that leadership was already available to them. They were waiting for someone to hand it to them, a promotion, a new title, an invitation. So what does leadership actually look like when you strip away the titles? Just 5 behaviors. That's it. First, set clear expectations, not vague ones. Specific, observable, unmistakable. Second, give people what they need to succeed. Resources, information, access. Third, remove the obstacles. When something's blocking your team, move it. Fourth, develop capability over time. Help the people around you get better at their jobs. And fifth, hold people accountable to outcomes, including yourself. Now you're thinking, those sound like managers' jobs, but they're not. They're a leader's job. And you don't need a title to do any of those today. Regardless of where you sit on the org chart, the leaders people choose to follow don't wait to be chosen. They act first. They see something that needs doing and they do it, not because it's in their job description, but because it matters. It's not charisma, it's not experience, it's not a corner office. It's a decision to operate as a leader before anybody on your team tells you it's your turn. So here's what I want you to sit with this week. Pick one of these 5 behaviors, just one, and do it on purpose. Set a clear expectation for someone. Remove an obstacle for your team. Help someone get better at their job. Don't announce it, just do it. You'll notice something. When you lead before you're asked, people start treating you like a leader. Not because of your title, but because of your behavior. If you're an insurance professional who's done waiting for permission, this series is built specifically for you.